Okay, so the question is asking us to determine how many ice creams of different flavours were sold. So what we need to know, first of all, is what fraction of a circle each of these sectors represents. Now, the easiest one is 120 degrees because we know basically 120 degrees is a third of a circle. But to work that out, we would do 120 divided by 360, and that would give us 1/3. So we know that 120 is a third of a circle. So we would want a third of 270 ice creams because a third of those were chocolate. So 270 divided by 3 gives you 90. So 90 ice creams were chocolate. But as I said in the previous video, that is like a two-step kind of process. So to make that simpler, we could just do 120 divided by 360 to give us the third. And then to get a third of 270, we just times them together. And that would still give us the answer of 90. And we can do that all in one go on our calculators. So it's a much quicker process of doing it. And it's exactly the same for the other flavours as well. So if we have a look at vanilla, what fraction of the circle does this sector represent? So to work that out, we would do 60 divided by 360, and that would give us our fraction. And then we need to times that by the total number of ice creams sold. And then that would give us the answer of 45. So 45 ice creams were vanilla.